Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. If you have a new in my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Here are some questions for a Defense Day quiz. Section 1, History. When is Defense Day celebrated in Pakistan? A option September 6, B September 7, C September 8, D September 9. The true answer is option A, September 6. What event is commemorated on Defense Day? A option Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. B option Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. C Kargil War. D Operation Zarb-e-Azb. The true answer is Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. Section 2, Heroes. Who was the commander-in-chief of the Pakistan Army during the 1965 war? A. General Muhammad Musa. B. General Ayub Khan. C. General Yahya Khan. D. General Tikka Khan. The true option, General Muhammad Musa. Who is known as the hero of the 1965 war? A option Major Aziz Bhatti. B Major Shabir Sharif. C Captain Colonel Sher Khan. D Havaldar Lalak Jan. The true option is A Major Aziz Bhatti. Section 3, Military. What is the name of the operation launched by Pakistan during the 1965 war? A option Operation Gibraltar. B Operation Grand Slam. C Operation Zarb-e-Azb. D Operation Rah-e-Najat. The true option A Operation Gibraltar. Which branch of the Pakistan military played a key role in the 1965 war? A. Pakistan Army. B. Pakistan Navy. C. Pakistan Air Force. D. All of the above. The true option is D. All of the above. Section 4, Battles. Which battle is considered a turning point in 1965 war? A. Battle of Asal Uttar. B. Battle of Chavinda. C. Battle of Hajipir. D. Battle of Lahore. The true option is A. Battle of Asal Uttar. Which city was defended by the Pakistan Army during the 1965 war? A. Lahore. B. Sialkot. C. Kasur. D. All of the above. The true option is D. All of the above. Section 5, National Songs. Which national song is associated with Defense Day? A. اے میرے پیارے وطن. بی جیوے پاکستان. سی دل دل پاکستان. ڈی میرے دیس میں. The true option is A. اے میرے پیارے وطن. Who wrote the lyrics to اے میرے پیارے وطن? A option علامہ محمد اقبال. B فیض احمد فیض. C حبیب جالب. D احمد فراز. The true option is B Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Section 6, Military Operation. What was the code name of the Pakistani military operation to capture the Indian-held territory of Kashmir in 1965? A. Operation Gibraltar. B. Operation Grand Slam. C. Operation Zarb-e-Azb. D. Operation Rah-e-Nijat. Option A. Operation Gibraltar. Which Indian military operation was launched in response to Operation Gibraltar? Operation Grand Slam. B. Operation Rider. C. Operation Ablaze. D. Operation Nemesis. The true option is A. Operation Grand Slam. Section 7. Heroes of 1965 War. Who was the commander of the Pakistani forces during the Battle of Chavinda? A. Major General Nasir Ahmad Khan. B. Major General Abdul Hamid Khan. C. Major General Muhammad Musa. D. Major General Tikka Khan. The true option is A. Major General Nasir Ahmad Khan. Who was the pilot who shot down an Indian Air Force plane during the 1965 war? A. Sakardun leader Muhammad Mahmud Alam. B. Sakardun leader Sarfaraz Ahmad Rafiq. C. Flight Lieutenant Yunus Hussain. D. Flight Lieutenant Imtiaz Bhatti. The true option is A. Sakardu leader Muhammad Mahmud Alam. Section 8. War efforts. What was the name of Pakistani ship that sank Indian Navy ship during the 1965 war? PNS Ghazi. B. PNS Hangor. C. PNS Badr. D. PNS Khyber. The true option is B. PNS Hangor. Which Pakistani city was bombed by Indian Air Force during the 1965 war? A. Lahore. B. Karachi. C. Peshawar. D. Sargodha. The true option is A. Lahore. Section 9. International response. Which country supported Pakistan during the 1965 war? A option United States. B. United Kingdom. C. China. D. Soviet Union. The true option is C. China. Which international organization condemned Indians' aggression against Pakistan in 1965? A. United Nations. B. Organization of Islamic Cooperation. C. Non-Aligned Movement. D. Commonwealth of Nations. The true option is A. United Nations. Section 10. Pakistan Air Force. Who was the Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Air Force the 1965 war? A. Air Marshal Muhammad Asghar Khan. B. Air Marshal Noor Khan. C. Air Marshal Zafar Chaudhry. D. Air Marshal Anwar Shamim. The true option is B. Air Marshal Noor Khan. Which Pakistan Air Force pilot shot down 9 Indian aircraft during the 1965 war? A. Skardun leader Muhammad Mahmud Alam. B. Skardun leader Sarfaraz Ahmad Rafiq. C. Flight Lieutenant Yunus Hussain. D. Flight Lieutenant Imtiaz Bhatti. The true option is A. Sakardu leader Muhammad Mahmud Alam. Dear audience, let me know if you need more question or help with answer. Please write a comment in below section. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.